Now, let me carefully explain how to fix the import error you are experiencing right now. Now let me explain how to resolve the SAM materials are damaged error in CapCut on your PC, step by step, as you'll see. First, check the file for issues now. This error usually indicates that the video file is damaged or corrupted, as you can see. The file may be downloaded incompletely, or the archive was extracted with errors as shown. Now carefully try opening the file in a different media player. For example, you can use VLC Media Player here. If the video was downloaded from the internet, please re-download the file now. Now carefully delete the file and download it again. Incomplete downloads often cause this error, as you can see here, so check your files carefully. You can also try carefully moving the file to a different folder. The folder now. Sometimes issues arise due to excessively long file names, as you see. Paths to the file can cause issues, especially with special characters in the name. Carefully move the video file, for instance, to drive C or D as shown here. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and saying goodbye for now.